One of the unique features PartMaker offers is the ability to swap an NC program from one machine control combination to another. With PartMaker, once you've programmed the part on a designated Swiss-type lathe, you can quickly generate NC programs for a variety of different Swiss lathes by simply choosing a different post-processor and changing a few tool positions. As a result of this unique feature, the software gives you a great deal of flexibility when choosing which machine a part needs to be run on. With PartMaker, you can quickly swap programs from one Swiss-type lathe to another, including from a Citizen to a Star to a Tsugami to a Citizen, or any combination you can think of.